What's up everybody, my name is Phil and welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. So in today's video, we're going to show you how to clean and protect your wheels. And guys, if you haven't already, subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. So when it comes to any type of wheel type, either it's chrome, matte finish, or painted clear coat, you want to make sure that those wheels are cleaned and protected as well. So we're going to show you how to use a wheel cleaner such as AM Wheels, and then show you how to protect it with a quality, high temperature wheel wax. So these products are specifically designed to clean all wheel types. Because this formula is a non-acid, it's safe for any wheel type. Now there are cases where you might need something stronger to clean up heavy brake dust that's been baked on, and you might need to kick it up to an acid-based cleaner. Don't be scared when you see acid-based cleaner for a wheel cleaner. This is not the type of corrosive acid that's going to damage anything, but rather it's going to dissolve any type of brake dust and junk that might be on those wheels and actually brighten them up as well, especially the chrome. So this wheel cleaner is very safe to use and really easy to use as well. And it smells nice, which is a plus. And with the high temperature wheel wax, this stuff can be applied to any of your wheel types except for matte finish, because you don't want to add any type of gloss enhancers to that. But you can use this wax on chrome, on aluminum, and on painted clear coated wheels. So this stuff will protect it from any type of buildup, make it easier to clean as well. And you can also use this on any high temperature parts such as your exhaust tips or maybe some parts in your engine bay. Guys, if you want to pick up these products, then check out carguysupplies.com and enter code Miranda20 for 20% off. I'll have more links down below. So let's go ahead and show you how to use these products.
Here we're working with two different wheels. The first one has a matte finish, but the same rule applies. Make sure to rinse the area thoroughly. Apply AM Wheels generously. Make sure to get the inside of the barrels as well. Remember to foam up your wheel bucket with any type of good quality car shampoo. This helps to minimize any kickback or flicking from any of the brushes that you may use. Plus, it's a good visual indicator when you see all of that brake dust, grime, and dirt foaming up and coming out of the wheel. Take your time with those wheel brushes. Some wheels are tedious to clean because of all those spokes. If you need more chemical, spray it into the brush and continue cleaning around the wheel. Then rinse the wheel thoroughly. Now here we're working with clear-coated wheels, and you can even use an acid-based cleaner to clean these as well. But again, work with your various brushes into all of those cracks and crevices of the wheel, and take your time. Using a good quality shampoo in your bucket and foaming it up helps with any type of kickback or flicking when using the brush. Don't forget to use a good all-purpose cleaner or degreaser to clean those tires. If you want to go further, you can blow dry your wheels to make sure no residual water is there. Then use AM wheel wax to protect those painted wheels. Again, take your time and spread the product evenly over all of the painted surfaces on those wheels. If you want to remove the wheel to protect the inner barrel, you can do that as well. Let it sit for a couple of minutes and then use a nice microfiber towel to wipe any of the residue off. Waxing your wheels makes them easier to clean and makes that flake pop in the paint.
So guys, that's it. It's pretty easy to clean your wheels and protect them, but it can be tedious. Wheels can be difficult to clean because of the many different spokes that are on there, many different designs, so just make sure to take your time. Get good quality wheel brushes, perhaps even those wheel woolies. I'll have links to those down below. And if you do have delicate wheels, maybe high gloss black wheels, you don't want to use anything too stiff or too harsh when you're cleaning those gloss black rims. So make sure to use a good quality cleaner and soft brushes. So guys, if you want to pick up these products, check out carguysupplies.com and put in code Miranda20 for 20% off. I'll have links down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with others who may enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great week.